All right, you guys, we got another box. Let's see. Oh, wow. We got a lot going on in here. We got one Absolute Zero. The Power Ride?
Power Ride?
What on earth is this? Is this corded?
It's corded.
Whoa. It's called the Power Ride. All right. Next, we have Prodigy, rather. A Bushwhacker. Bro, this is to shave your castañas.
Got the nut shaver?
This is to shave the castañas. Yep.
This is a corded clipper.
The Bushwhacker. Looks like we got
Some new heads.
some head. Got some heads. Oh, the new and improved cutter. Oh, this looks different. Is that different than the one that they already sent? Another heat stroke. This thing's awesome.
This looks like
And another mythic. Oh, I knew something was weighing this box down. I could feel it.
Actually, this is kind of heavy too.
Well, let's try it.
Cutters.
All right, you guys, no one was more surprised than me when I seen in that box there was a corded clipper from Gamma. So this is the Power Ride, and I gotta say, like, the top of this clipper, it feels awesome. And if you're a big fan of using corded clippers and you want something that cuts a lot like a Wall Senior, that would be the best I could tell you, because this blade is very similar to the Wall Senior, and it's just a great fade blade. And as you can see, I'm just going through my line with it open, and it's already wiped away most of that line. Now, if you want to check out how I did the beginning of this fade, because unfortunately I didn't click the record button until, well, what you see, but I just used the normal phase 1 process. So if you guys want to check out the phase 1 video, I'll link it right here. But that just shows you how I work with my electric shaver, how I do my debulking. But where we are in this process right now is I did a 4 on top, and I put my skin line in, and now I'm beginning to wipe it out. So I began stepping this down little by little with my taper lever, and I'm gonna use this Prodigy here to show you guys. So I began with it in the open position. That's with the clipper cutting the longest. I began closing it down little by little and staying a little bit lower than I was each time I closed that lever, until I have the lever fully closed. And as you're gonna see, that's gonna wipe away the line. Now, why am I using this Protege clipper to explain this to you? Not the Prodigy, sorry. The Protege clipper, because I'm gonna give one away, man. So all you guys gotta do, if you want a chance to win this clipper, is just show some love down in the comments. And next week, when I post my next video, I'm gonna go live and I'm gonna give this Protege clipper away to somebody in the comments. I cleaned out a closet, and as you can see, I actually have a whole bunch of other stuff, so we're gonna be doing some giveaways on the next few videos. All right, back to the fade. Now on this side of the blend, I just got the number 1 on in the open position, and that's exactly what's taking care of this blend. And I'm trying my best to use the crisscross method, and I'm just trying to hold it flat. And I'm going to begin once again with my step down process. So I began with it in the open position and begin clicking it down, clicking it down. Now, as for the Power Ride, there is no clicks. It's a floating lever. So it's just the same, but we're just gonna move it manually. And instead of having these clicks that snap you into place, which is great for a lot of beginning barbers and even older barbers alike, I find it kind of keeping me, it kind of keeps me like right where I need to be. But at the same time, you know, using the floating lever, it really won't make much of a difference once you have a lot of experience. But this thing's got some power, and I was able to wipe away the lines. I actually did a bunch of cuts on this day with the fast feed clippers, because I'm going to be dropping some fast feed content, because I haven't in a while, and I just wanted to see how is the fast feed in 2021. Is it something that we should still even consider at all as an option? And then boom, Gamma surprises me with a corded clipper on the exact same day that I began kind of filming some of that. So I gotta say, using this corded clipper and using the other corded clipper was kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie, I struggled a little bit with the fast feed. I did, but when I picked up this just was easy to fade with. I mean, I love the shape of it. I love how it felt, and it took a little getting used to having a cord again. But for the most part, I mean, I was pretty happy with how this cut came out. So I'm just going through and I'm detailing a little bit of that right where I met that skin to that open taper, just going through, looking for little details, because it's all these details that actually make the cut. You know, no single one of them is going to just get it done. It's just little by little stepping through. Now, his hair is a little bit more dense towards the parietal ridge area here, but I got it in the open position with the 1 1/2, and then I'm being closed in with the 1 1/2, and then I can jump in with my 1 open, 1 closed. So it's just super important to understand your process, you know, from top to bottom, bottom to top, so that you know exactly where you can go next, where you can go safely next, and what you need to do. Now, I'm a big fan of being thorough, so like if I see something, I'm not afraid to jump back a few steps, make it perfect, and then go ahead and jump forward. Now on this side, I started getting a little crazy. I tried a little faded culture move, and I actually put the 1 in the closed position. So you're gonna see that here in just a second. But it's funny because I sort of expected this to speed up the process or do something, but like, to be honest, I should have just used the same process all the way around, because I wound up kind of having to fight with this side a little bit to get it done. But you know, we got it done, and I'm pretty happy with it. So again, just in case you guys missed it, I'm giving away this Protege clipper in this video. All you got to do is drop a comment and show some love down below, and be subscribed and smash that like button, man, because whoever does that is gonna be entered for a chance to win, and we'll go live, and I'll do the random comment picker live so you guys can see. There's no hocus pocus going on. You guys got a good chance to win this. All right, and I might miss an upload because my wife's about to give birth like any day now. I mean, it could happen right now, but hopefully we can get through this video before that happens. I missed my upload last week. Now, the other cool thing that's going on, man, you guys are gonna see a little preview towards the end of this video, but a company sent me an amazing razor holder, more specifically. It can hold feather artist blades, it can hold any type of blade you can think of, it can hold it because it has this genius magnetic system. But the magnetic system took a little getting used to, and you guys are gonna have some good laughs at some of my clients and my barbers that first tried to load it, man. So you guys are gonna enjoy that video. Should drop next week. All right, so back to the fade. I began it with the closed position, and now I'm gonna open it and try to blend out the line in the reverse way that I normally do it. Now, if you guys really are yearning for like a comprehensive breakdown of the blend, look no further than the blend. I got you. But a lot of people, I think, try to just watch that video and they didn't watch them all the way through. So I'm really encouraging you guys to watch phases 1 through 6. I promise you, if you're struggling, it's going to make a better barber out of you. You're gonna understand not only my process, but you're just gonna understand fading in general, and you're gonna be able to tackle pretty much anything that walks through the door with confidence. That was the idea behind that whole system. So anyhow, this cut's starting to come together, and we're gonna do a little shear over comb work. We're gonna do a little texturizing shear work, and we're gonna finish dialing that in. So the other thing that I wanted to ask you guys is I've been playing a lot of golf lately, like for real. I mean, I love golf so much, and I was thinking about maybe dropping a little golf content. Maybe I'll take you guys with me on the course one of these days, and we'll see what's up. And if you play golf, and you know, drop it down in the comments below. Maybe one of these other YouTubers, if y'all want some smoke with me on the golf course, you know, just let me know in the comments. And who knows, maybe we can get together, play around, film it. I think that'd be a lot of fun. So if there's some other YouTubers out there who play and they're close to my area, I mean, I'm just saying, man, I want smoke. I want smoke with all of y'all. Now I'm just playing, man, but I've been having a lot of fun with it, for real. So, all right, so now we're just touching up with that number 1, going back with it in the open position. And I'm doing that crisscross method. I'm looking for them grain patterns. I'm looking for them grain changes, and I'm just doing my best to dial in this blend on this side. And you're gonna see it all come together here once I hit it with the clipper with the shear over comb. Another video, another series I got the shear over comb, I got the clipper over comb. So you know, if that's something that you're struggling with, if that's something that you're making mistakes with, I promise that could help. That could definitely help. And quick shout out to Gamma, man, for the love and the support. For the love and the support, man. I gotta do a video on all the stuff that was in that box, but like I'm kind of nervous about what I might want to do with that bushwhacker. Well, I mean, like I'm saying video wise, what I might want to do. There's a quick preview of that razor. This razor is just so sick. But yeah, shout out to Gamma, man. 10% off. Use the code Eddie if you guys are in the market for anything. In the case that maybe you don't win this, you know, please use the code Eddie. That supports the channel big time, and we're trying to do some big things around here. So that's about it. I hope you guys enjoy the cut. Let me know what you think, and I'm gonna run a little preview of the next video right here. So enjoy that, and until then, I will catch you guys next week. This is the YouTube Barber Academy. I'm Mr. Eddie Barber. Really? This is the YouTube Barber Academy. I'm Mr. Eddie Barber, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace. All right, you guys, I'm gonna have some fun with my clients today. I got a new razor sent to me. This razor is incredible, super nice, but could my clients figure out how to load it? I think it's gonna be a funny one. Let's go. You think you can load it?
I can load that damn thing.
You think you can load it? Oh, all right, we're gonna make our way around the room. Let's go. There's your razor. You gonna be able to do this? Huh? What's the matter?
Hold on, dog.
Are you
I gotta figure out how to open this.
Are you struggling?
I know it's magnetic. Hold on. There it
I
is.
thought you was gonna be able to open this so easy.
There it is, dog. Come on.
Oh, you're gonna break your finger.
I'll break my
Oh,
nail,
that is
dog.
not how you do it.
How you do it, dog?
That's not how you do it. I thought you was gonna figure this out.
Hold on.
Uh-oh, he almost got it.
Hold on, I'm close.
No, you're
I
not.
got no nails, though.
You ain't
I
close.
see that. Dude, I ain't breaking that thing apart. Once I get this thing open, I'm loading it.
You're right. I bet even if you get it open, you don't load it.
Dude, this is like bizarre.
There's a trick to it, bro.
You want another trick?
That mullet looking fresh though.
Yeah, I just tightened it up this morning.
Who cut that?
I tightened it up this morning.
That's why it's all messed up.
Yeah. Yeah.